Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin BTC USDT chart, and I'm seeing a potential long setup here, and we are roughly around 1 hour away from Bitcoin halving. So I'm expecting few moves upside in here. So what I'm going to show you in here is the major zone that is playing out in the market. Let's see from the previous stop, we have an important order here which helped to make this particular top in the past, and there is a swap here. Opposite transaction of order was executed in this particular orange zone or brown, I don't know. And there is another lower scale flag limit holding the price downside. So in here we can see how it is playing out. So this was the main order from the past which made the previous stop, and there is a DP of that particular decision point of that particular zone, which is not hit yet. Like, it's due to hit. It could hit any time. That depends on the frequency of orders. But there is a swap in here, all right, which is held by a little lower scale flag DP. You can see. So there is a swap here, and there is a lower scale origin flag limit which hold the price upside, and there is a fake out. This low is a fake out to the DP. So this particular zone has the recent low made. This is engulf this is engulf because this particular whole zone pushed the price to the target, which got engulfed here. And after engulfing, it retraced back to a zone and came back to the target, but it didn't engulf the main flag limit, meaning buyers can still push the price up to the new high, or I would say somewhere around here, this high, because there is a target missing here by a couple of pips. I'll show in the next video. So what I'm seeing in here is there are probabilities like, this DP has order in it. We'll see the frequency of orders. Like, if we have any short setup available in the market in the next couple of hours, we'll see. But at the moment, this is not relevant. The only relevant zone in here is we have got an ingulf which got the target hit, and there is a lower scale target here upside in there. Now, what I want to see in here is this particular law. We are going to analyze from this particular law, and we will be looking for an engulf to make a long setup here. Meaning, we need to see price engulf some important zone like this. Why? Because this is an order from the past which pushed price to its target, which pushed price to its target. All right. So I don't think this is the correct zone. Give me a minute, please. Let me see. So this is an order. This particular zone is an order, and its DP is in here. Now I want to see an engulf. This is an engulf. This swap is an engulf to where? Probably to the right, very right place here. So what I want to see now is after this particular engulf, if I need to take a long setup, I want to see this getting engulfed, and I want to see the retracement like this and bang to upside. This is how the long setup should play in the Bitcoin chart, and I'll show you how exactly I'm going to take trade in here. So this is the low made, right? This is the low made. Now let's analyze how it should play out. This is the order that push price to this low, and this is a swap of that order which hold price to its target. So this zone here is one of the significant place where we can find orders in here. Now what I can see in here is there's a retracement engulf back to here, but what is missing in here is this. Last set of orders should be here. Yep. And that's the swap, meaning this has order in it. Where are we going to take the trade? Meaning this whole zone in here plays as a DP. So we are going to trade somewhere in between here. Somehow like this. The first target will be again here, this zone, and the second target it could hold is somewhere around here, but we are going to long until here like this, and you can book the profit like in multiple zones in between here. So this is how it should play. But this trade will be taken only after this particular engulf. This is important, very very important, because the price action has not been opened yet, and I'll be waiting for that to play out. We play like this. We're going to risk $5 over here. This is how we're gonna take around 1 is to 20 trade. Like you could manage this risk. Like you can make it 1 is to 100, 1 is to 200 according to your precision in the low time frame. I can make it, but it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, we are just going to make bucks from this particular chart. And yeah, that's all. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much, guys.